In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your DocuSign signature without needing an account. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just need to make a quick signature change, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's a straightforward task that you can complete in just a few moments, so let's get started. First things first, you need to access the email that contains the DocuSign document you've been asked to sign. This is typically sent to you when someone needs your signature on an important document. Go ahead and open your email client and locate the email from DocuSign. It should be relatively easy to spot as the subject line usually indicates that your signature is requested. Once you have the email open, you'll see a prompt or button that asks you to review the document. Click on this button. It's important to do this step as it takes you into the secure DocuSign environment where you'll be making your changes. As you're reviewing the document, pay attention to the layout and any specific instructions provided by the sender. The next step is crucial because this is where you'll change your signature. Within the document, look for a designated area that requires your signature. It's typically marked with a Sign Here prompt or something similar. Clicking on this area will bring up the signature options. DocuSign gives you several ways to create a signature. You can draw it using your mouse or touchpad, upload an image of your signature if you already have one saved, or select a pre-styled signature that DocuSign provides. Choose the method that feels most comfortable for you, and don't hesitate to experiment with different options to see which looks the best. After you've settled on the signature style, be sure to click Adopt and Sign. This is an important step as it confirms your signature choice and applies it to the document. Once this is done, the document will usually automatically update, saving the changes you've made. Finally, follow any remaining prompts to finish the document, which might include reviewing your changes or confirming submission. This process allows you to update your DocuSign signature efficiently without needing to create or log into an account. By following these steps, you ensure that your signature accurately represents you, whether for personal use or professional dealings. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Happy signing!